Tired of dumplings sticking to your steamer basket or breaking apart during cooking? Bamboo steamer paper circles offer a simple, effective solution that keeps your food intact and your steamer clean. These pre-cut, perforated liners fit perfectly in a 10-inch bamboo steamer or air fryer basket, making steaming and frying easier than ever. What sets these steamer liners apart is their non-stick silicone coating, which means no more struggling to pry food off the basket or poking holes yourself. They withstand heat up to 428, 220, so you can steam dumplings, bao, chicken wings, French fries, and vegetables without worrying about the paper burning or sticking. Plus, the perforations allow steam to circulate evenly, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. Customers across the U.S. have praised these liners for preventing dumplings from breaking apart. One user shared how the slightly larger size of the paper gave extra protection during steaming, making cleanup a breeze and preserving the delicate shape of their dumplings. Some even found creative uses, like wrapping frozen cookie dough for easy storage. Each pack includes 100 of these 10-inch round parchment papers with holes, offering great value whether you steam daily or occasionally. Just remember to always place food on top of the liner to keep it from touching the heating element, which could cause ignition. This small precaution ensures safety without sacrificing convenience. If you're ready to upgrade your steaming game and enjoy hassle-free cooking, these bamboo steamer paper circles are worth a look. They save time cleaning, protect your food's texture, and fit seamlessly into your routine. Try them when you're ready and see the difference in every bite.